Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you important points about capsicum poisoning. I will discuss its class, fatal dose, its active compounds which are responsible for regeneration of the different parts of the body, its main sign and symptoms, its medical legal importance, and finally its treatment and how we will treat this case. Now coming toward the class, capsicum is vegetable poison which belongs to organic classification of the irritant poison. So it is basically vegetable organic irritant poison. Its fatal dose is not fixed, and its fatal period is not known up till now. Its active principle includes capsaicin and capsaicin. Main sign and symptoms include. Now, while seeing the sign and symptoms, we have to see the route by which capsicum entered the patient's body. Now, if it is applied to the skin, then there is local irritation and vesication at that specific site. But when it is ingested, there is burning pain in whole GIT tract, excessive salivation due to stimulation of the glands, and there is local inflammation. And if it is applied to the eyes, there is burning, excessive burning in the eyes, pain, and lacrimation. Medical legal importance includes the exposure is mainly accidental. It is used in robbery cases. It is used for torture purpose. Yeah, its seeds resemble datura seeds, so the person who is willing to take datura seeds may also accidentally take these capsicum seeds and will present with all these signs and symptoms which I have discussed before. Now finally its treatment. If it is applied to the skin, we have to wash the skin, and if it is applied to eyes, we have to wash the eyes with saline and then apply antibiotics at that specific sites and cortisone drops. If ingested, then we have to blunt scraping of the tongue and provide ice for sucking to maintain the hydration of the body and to treat the thirst of the patient. There is no further treatment. For maintaining hydration, we may give glucose solution in the drip form through the IV route, and for controlling pain, we may give morphine 10 milligram through intramuscular route. That's all. If you have any question, just comment it down. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.